Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 26 of our 30 Days of Yoga series. And since it is Self-Care Sunday, we are going to slow it down today again with another breathing meditation. So all you will need today are a bolster or a pillow if you don't have a bolster, and possibly a blanket. So grab those two things and we will get started. So for our meditation, I like to sit on a bolster or a pillow. If you don't have a bolster, you can use a pillow. My pillow is a little bit short, so I am going to use a blanket on top of that, just to sit my hips up a little higher. So once you sit, the knees will come down towards the mat or the floor. And we're going to start in a seated position. And your hands can rest on the knees or the tops of the thighs, whichever is comfortable for you. And then lift the shoulders up and back, lifting the chest, sitting tall in the spine. When you find your comfortable seat, you can allow the eyes to close. We're just going to start here with 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. On each exhale, you're going to lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then exhale them down and back. So let's inhale together and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then just start to notice the breath in this moment. Our focus is not to change the breath to what we think it should be. Just notice it for what it is in this moment. So maybe you notice that your inhales and exhales are equal. Or maybe you notice that you're taking shorter inhales and longer exhales. Or maybe you notice the opposite. You're taking longer inhales and shorter exhales. Again, just acknowledging your breath for what it is in this moment. Start to notice any movement that happens as you breathe in and out. Maybe you notice movement in the chest. Maybe the chest rises and falls as you breathe in and out. Or maybe you notice more movement in the belly. Maybe you notice less movement in the chest and more movement in the belly. Or the opposite, more movement in the belly, less movement in the chest. Or you may feel the opposite, more movement in the chest and less movement in the body. Or you may feel the opposite, more movement in the chest, less movement in the belly. Maybe the shoulders move up and down as you breathe in and out. So acknowledge the breath for what it is in this moment. And then you're going to bring your hands to the sides of your rib cage. So the fingertips can be in the front, thumb can go around the back, elbows are out to your side. You don't have to be pressing down, just gently touching. So we're going to practice breathing. As you inhale, your rib cage will expand into the hands. And as you exhale, it will release, coming back to its original position. We're going to do that about 5 times. So when you're ready, let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then slowly releasing the hands down to the knees or the tops of the thighs. Let's take 3 more breaths here. Inhaling as the shoulders rise, exhaling as they release, coming back down to their original position. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And just taking a couple of breaths on your own. And then bringing the palms together in front of your heart. Taking a moment of gratitude. Maybe having gratitude for making it this far in your yoga journey. Having gratitude that you're almost done with your 30 days of yoga. Maybe you have gratitude that your body is able to move in the ways that you need it to. Having gratitude for your body, for your mind, and for your soul. Having gratitude for those around you that help make you who you are. Having gratitude for your yoga practice, or for starting your yoga practice. And just having gratitude for yourself in general. Take a deep breath in and out. And slowly allow the eyes to open. Thank you so much for joining me today for this breathing meditation. I will see you guys in my next video. Namaste.